Have you ever heard in voiceover someone say something like, yeah, sure, just send me a Source Connect link, and kind of wondered what they were talking about? Well, today our video is all about what Source Connect is, whether or not you need it, and how to use it for professional voiceover recording. And before we go too deep, my name is Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor, and I run the VoiceOver Blueprint training program and this YouTube channel, where the goal is to give you free, actionable insights and tips to grow and sustain your professional, profitable voiceover business. And if you're curious about voiceover and want to learn about how to get into the industry, I host a weekly webinar on Tuesday nights that's absolutely free, where you can join and learn the steps to become a voice actor. You can ask me any questions you have about being in VO, and just as a bonus for showing up for the webinar, I'll throw in a copy of my book, The VoiceOver Blueprint. You'll get the downloadable PDF as well as the audiobook, plus 4 free additional gifts just for being there. So sign up below in the pinned comment and the description, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay, let's dive into Source Connect. Source Connect is a piece of software that is under the umbrella of Source Elements. And basically what Source Connect is it's a way to connect to a remote studio and engineer without leaving your own booth. So the end client or the engineer in that remote location can hear everything that's happening in your booth. The signal is transmitted through high-speed internet to make sure that there is no loss of the audio on the end client side, and you can do recordings from anywhere in the world. Another reason why this is so great is that you can collaborate and talk back and forth with the clients in real time as they are recording on their side. So you don't have to do any recording in your booth at all. All your signal chain goes directly to that person. So it saves a lot of time because, number one, you don't have to do any editing. They usually do all the editing on their side. And when you're done with the session, you just end the Source Connect session and you're done. Directors often want to give a lot of remote direction. They want to, do multiple takes and collaborate and bounce ideas back and forth. This happens with my sessions all the time where, instead of what they've got on the script, they want to knock a few other ideas around. And so it's nice to be able to do that in real time. Okay, so you might be asking, okay, well, why not just use Zoom? Well, Zoom is fine, and I do lots of remote sessions via Zoom as well. But the thing about Zoom is it's good for communication, so you can still get real-time direction, but you have to record on your side. They are not recording on their side. So if I'm using a Zoom interface for a directed session, then I'm doing the recording, I'm doing the editing sometimes they do the edit. But when the session is done, then I have to send that file to them so that then they can take it and, add their magic to it. Okay, do you need Source Connect? Well, the answer is yes and no. At the very beginning, you probably don't need Source Connect yet because you may not be to the point of getting jobs that require it. But what I always advise people to do is wait until you get a job, until you get booked for a job that requires Source Connect to go ahead and set it up. Then, once you actually have Source Connect set up, you can just maintain it from there going forward. There will be some times when you'll use it a lot during the month, and then maybe some times where you won't use it as much. But for $35 a month, I prefer to just keep it running just because you never know when you're going to book a job that requires it. Another thing I want to talk about is there are some jobs that do require it before you even submit for the job. Many times an audition will require that you put in your Source Connect ID, which is your, what you use to connect with other people. That they will require that before you even submit the audition. So you have to keep that in mind as well. There may be an audition or two that you might not be able to submit for until you have Source Connect set up. Okay, now I want to take you into Source Connect real quick and just give you an idea of what the interface looks like. It's pretty simplistic, but I just want to show you around real quick. So I'm going to hop over to Source Connect here. And as you can see, the interface is pretty simple. We've got, your incoming levels, your receiving levels of the people who you're speaking with. Over here on the right, you have your contacts, and this is how you connect with other people. Usually they will have a Source Connect ID as well, so they will either send you their ID or you will send them your ID, and that's how they connect. And it's as simple as just clicking connect with that person down here, And once you're live, then you can record and speak back and forth to whoever's on the other end of the line. So there you go. That is Source Connect, the interface. Here's a few tips for you about Source Connect so you can be ready when you have your first session. Number one, if you do get a job that requires Source Connect and you go ahead and set it up, make sure you set it up well in advance. Don't try to just set it up 10 minutes before the session. Set it up, go through it, make sure you're familiar with the interface. The next tip is it is preferred if you're hardwired to your internet connection as opposed to Wi-Fi. It just is a more stable connection, and it just helps that lossless audio transmit from where you are to where the end client is. So try to be hardwired if possible. And lastly, you pretty much always have to use headphones when you're using Source Connect, just to make sure that your microphone doesn't have any bleed through when you're doing your recording. If you're not using your headphones when you're recording, there could be some delay and echo and weird stuff happening. So always use your headphones when you're using Source Connect. Well, that's a little overview for Source Connect. If you found that helpful, and if you find this channel helpful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. That's the best way to help our channel. And if you have any comments or questions, drop those below because I do read and reply to all the comments. Oh, and one other quick reminder about that Tuesday night webinar coming up. It's absolutely free. You'll learn how to get into VoiceOver, ask any questions you have, and you'll also pick up a free copy of the book, The VoiceOver Blueprint, just for showing up. So again, link in the description and pin comment, and I'll see you Tuesday. And if you're just getting into VoiceOver and you're curious about which demo you need to actually do first to get the best chance of landing work, I made a complete video about that. If you want to click it, it's right there.